slice. Watermelon is cool and red, with black seeds and a juicy spread. Slice it up on a sunny day, it keeps the heat and thirst away. Pineapple, spiky, yellow and bold, tart and sweet when it's cold. Cut it open, wanna smell? It's a fruit I know so well. Lychee, small with bumpy skin, light and juicy once you're in. Pop it out and take a bite, sweet and soft and pure delight. Papaya's orange, soft and round, with tiny seeds that can be found. Scoop it out and taste the sun. It's healthy, tasty, and so much fun.